I made a video showcasing Invideo and Pictory, which are two of the most popular services for helping automate content creation. In today's video, both services will go head-to-head to determine which one is the best for making videos. I will be focusing on 5 categories: features, ease of use, speed to create a video, quality of content, and price, before giving a verdict at the end. So let's get into it. Invideo is entirely based on creating and editing videos based on text prompts using AI. They have something called Invideo Studio, but I will talk about that later on. Pictory has 4 key features: script to video, where you can copy and paste your own scripts to generate a video; article to video, where you can copy and paste a URL such as a blog post and turn that into a video; editing video using text, where you can upload your own video and edit it the same way that you would a Word document, and Pictory will edit out your video based on the text that you are deleting; and visuals to video, where you can upload your own content and add it to a new or existing video that Pictory creates. For the features category, I'm going to give the winner to Pictory. When it comes to ease of use, both are easy to pick up, but Invideo only requires a text prompt from you to get started with content creation. The user interface of Invideo is simple and intuitive enough to pick up because everything that you need is entirely in one place. With Pictory, you have to have a completed project first, such as a script or as an existing video, in order to jump in and get started in using Pictory to generate content for you. The user interface is split up into several categories, and I found Pictory had to guide me through with prompts on how to create content, which isn't the case for Invideo. Regarding ease of use, the winner is Invideo. Next up is speed to create a video. This is where Invideo really shines because it has something called Invideo Studio, which has several thousand templates that you can use, which is similar to the way Canva works with their own templates, and they can be customized and completely changed to your liking. So as I scroll through here, you can see there's many different pre-existing templates, and if I hover over them, it'll give you an indication of what to expect. I'm going to click on this video here. With Invideo Studio, I can just click into anything here if I wanted to change the text. I could click into that if I wanted to add a logo for my own content or whatever my page was, I could do that. And as I click on the right-hand side, anything that I click on is fully customizable, and then I can go into the side here on the left-hand pane, select on video or select on images, and then just swap in what I need. And I can just, at the very bottom, I can click on any frame within this template and just immediately start making changes and adding things in and tweaking it to my liking. And then once I'm ready, I can go ahead in the top right corner and hit download, and the video will be downloaded, ready to be used. Pictory offers a similar experience to editing videos with templates, but it requires more tinkering to get the video that you want. So yes, I can click in here and I can edit the text, or I can take the text and I can move it around and resize it and do it what I wish. But if I want to go frame by frame, I still have to go into the side pane here and start tinkering around with a different library of videos, different textures, and my own uploads. And similarly with text or different elements or different styles of text. So similar feature set, but a little bit more tinkering compared to Invideo. And for speed to create a video, I'm giving this one to Invideo. Regarding quality, Invideo's quality of content is more visually appealing compared to Pictory. As I scroll through here, you have a plethora of different options that are ready to go, that are readily made for you. And visually, they're more appealing in the same sense of that, the way that Canva does it. And you can really go in and just see how stunning some of these visuals are. For example, if I was using this for a retail setting, for a Boxing Day sale, everything is done for me. The only thing I really need to do is just switch out the visual and edit the text to my liking. And just when I post that, whether that's through TikTok or whether that's through an Instagram reel, it's visually appealing to the viewer. Pictory has great content as well, but it's more based off of stock footage than giving you tools to generate stylish content that is visually appealing via Invideo's templates. As I scroll through here, you can see that if I hover over something, it's just pulling stock footage from one of the services that it leverages in order to give you enough videos for you to go ahead and create content with. But again, it doesn't come up as that stylish feature. It's more informational in a stock footage way. So for this category, I'm giving it to Invideo. And finally, we come to price. Both services offer a free trial, and on their middle tiers, which are the most popular, it's $30 for Invideo and $47 for Pictory. And this could be different depending on where you live and what country you're in. Both services enable 60 video exports per month, but Invideo gives you up to 40 minutes of length per video compared to Pictory's 20 minutes. Both offer access to stock footage, music, and AI voices with 1080p resolution and cloud storage. There are slight variances to what each service offers, such as how much stock footage or voices that are available, but overall both services offer pretty much the same thing. But I can also understand Pictory's slightly higher price because they do offer more features like a video editor and the ability to convert blog posts into content. When it comes to the winner for pricing, I'm actually going to call this one as a draw because both of services offer the same thing, but Pictory's higher price point is really due to having more features, having a built-in video editor, and having the ability to do more things with a script or with a blog post and additional text. So which service is the best? For content such as YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and the like, Invideo is the clear winner because it's easier to use, faster to execute on, and it's more visually stylish with its templates. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one.